guys, come and spend the day with me at the beach. So first we're gonna do our lashes. Girl, it has to look good. Preview of how my face looks. Don't mind that shit. Our lashes here, guys, don't mind. I'm already using something there and put them back in the case. I don't know how lash people stay. So chat, as some of them lashes my wipe off, you got big glue in my eye. We finished our lashes, girl, it looks pretty. It's very still. Went to pack our bag. Let me show you guys what's in my bag. So first, I got this pouch from my friend. So first, we have some shampoo and conditioner, roll-on, lotion, a brush. Guys, look at this little pouch. It's so pretty, so cute. Then perfume, some candy. Girl have a sweet tooth. A bracelet. Change of stuff we're gonna put on after we come out of the swimsuit. Yeah. A nail clip for my imaginary nails. Our money, a purse. It's so pretty. Lip liner and lip gloss, and then we're gonna get dressed. So guys, I found this little jumper. It was so cute, so pretty, and it matches with everything I'm gonna wear today. Then we're gonna put on this big oversized cut up tear up jeans. So we got some other cologne and we're just touching up. But it looks pretty. But it looks fine. Styled our hair. Put on some lip gloss. Girl looks cute. Did a fit check here. Guys, I like it. I like it. Everything come together. I like it. So we left out and went to meet up with the group at Bay West. This is me here. The hair was shrinking. Oh my gosh. While we do it, my heart. Jamaica just act like a batty. Oh my god. So when I went to the beach.
Me can't pass this level. No, look, you can't go on this level.
Guys, look at this view. It's so pretty. So everything got changed. Looking so tea, so coffee. This is done at the beach. Guys, the water was so cool, so nice. We're gonna take some more pictures of them on my Instagram. So we went to do some TikToks here. We never do dance. Let me sit down. We never do dance, okay?
Every girl again. Take them ghosts. Grave digger. Jack, sit down like Jackie Bunny Jack. Back it up, hide them, chop it like it has.
Went and got some Starbucks. Some more photos for the gram. So after we left the beach, we went and said we're going to go some skating at Bottom Road. Yeah.
Brother, I can't. Take care of Phyllis. Take care of me, put her off you.
I didn't even set the socks wrong, okay? As a professional skater, we gotta walk. Me can do that too. Me can do it too. Okay, guys, me can do it too. Get some food. Ignore me face, I'm gonna be trying to take me. It's like me did tell this chick some I like me. Tell why it's out of all of my hands.
I got it to with him.
On top of boats. On top of boats. Shake your butt on top of boats. Right? It is though. Okay, ready? Gotta get them steps in one way or another. My daddy put up please and flash the people in. Flash the people in and juice the shop on me. Can y'all believe that? Can y'all believe that? So we got home and I finally got to eat my chicken in peace. JR chicken, they eat. Try it guys, it's very nice. And that's a wrap. Thank you guys so much for watching.